In this video, we are going to visit Sri Kasinatha Swamy temple in Ambasamudram in Tirunelveli district. As Ambal is all merciful as an ocean, the place is named as Ambasamudram. In the Shiva Puranam, 9 chapters explain the glory of this temple. Namaskaram. Welcome to Satish Shankar's Vibes. This temple is located on the banks of Thamirabarani River. Sage Kashyapa installed Linga near Thamirabarani River in Ambasamudram, now known as Kashyapa Linga and later changed as Kasipa Linga. This temple has Lord Nadaraja, who is worshipped as Punugu Sabapati. On Thaipusam day, special puja is performed to him. Perumal graces in this temple from a shrine opposite Shiva shrine. The east-facing temple of Kasinatha Swamy is magnificent in size. The location is very calm and scenic beauty. The main region of the temple is built in the Maragathambigai architectural style. The sanctum of the god as well as the goddess is located atop the platform. The main shrine has Moolasthanam, Arthamandapam, Mahamandapam and a front side pillared mandapam. There are 2 prakarams around the main shrine. The area connecting the temple and main entrance is huge and is in the form of a pillared mandapa with its roof covered. The sanctum is facing the east direction. It houses a small Shiva Linga named as Kasibanathar Swamy. The entrance of Artha Mandapa has an idol of Ganesha. In the Mahamandapa, there is a beautiful painting of Sivagami and Nadarajar. Nandi is installed in the Mahamandapa facing towards Lord Shiva. There are many pillars with sculptures in the Mahamandapa. The entrance of Mahamandapa has another idol of Ganesha called Anugnai Vinayaka. As per legend, a king fell ill and a voice advised the king to make a doll of black till, transfer the disease to the doll and donate it to a Brahmin. The king also gifted the Brahmin with valuable gems and diamonds. The doll became alive and told the Brahmin that it would leave him if he parted with it half the benefit of the Gayatri mantra chanting he had done so far. Brahmin left his valuables with the priest of the temple and went to Podigai hills to seek the advice of sage Agastya. On return, the priest gave a doll bag, saying it was the bag he has given. Brahmin took the case to the king. When asked to depose before the Lord, the priest unhesitatingly spoke lie in the temple. Angry Lord burned the priest. Brahmin begged the Lord to restore the priest to life again, and the merciful Lord responded to Brahmin's prayer. Hence, Lord Shiva is named as Erithat Kondar. Erithal in Tamil means burning. Even after burning the priest, Lord did not become normal and Perumal brought Shiva to normalcy. Perumal graces in this temple from a shrine opposite to Shiva's shrine. As this temple is located on a raised platform, there is also a front side pillared mandapa. In this front side mandapa, the goddess Maragathambigai is found in standing posture with a flower on her right arm. The inner prakara has shrines for Dakshinamurti, Chandigeshwara, Ganesha, Subramanya, Punugu Sabapati, big idols of Nadaraja and Sivakami, along with Uma Mageshwari and Utsava idols. In outer prakara, shrines are located for Vishwanathar, Annamalai, Subramanya and Meenakshi Shokanathar. There is a broad mandapa that connects the temple with the main entrance. The mandapa is full of pillars and its roof is covered. This temple is open in the morning from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. and in the evening from 5 p.m. to 7:30 p.m.
Namah Shivaya. Om 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 Namah Shivaya.